Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I have a very sophisticated, very cool, elegant movie projector to show you. It's the H1 from, I have to read this out, from Harman Kardon. It's not the top of the line, but it's a very, very good projector, ranging around $700. So you're gonna see it. It looks really good. It's very good. I'm gonna unboxing just to show exactly what it looks like. It was at CES last year. Even had an award for design. You can see here it has a tag from the CES. So it comes in a big, large, pretty robust black box. I'm gonna try to open it as smoothly as I can. Yeah, it comes out like this, and there you go. You have the projector right here. It's pretty big. I mean, it's not the biggest one, but it's definitely not a portable one. You just remove it, and here you go. It's pretty much the size of a hand, about 11 centimeters high. It's very good build quality, like very robust, strong plastic and metal finishing. It has a lot of outputs in the back, a lot of USB, 2 HDMI ports, 1 optic sound port, LAN one, and also for earphones. The projector itself, the lens, it's in the front. It has a little thingy here to open it and to protect it. So that's pretty much it. That's the projector. Then this is the box. It has kind of a secret drawer here, which I will open. It comes out as so. And what you'll find here, the inside of the box, by the way, it's completely padded, so it keeps the projector safe, no problem at all. Inside this little secret box, there's the plug, the cables. There's a sleek, fancy warranty paper from the brand, of course. There's the AC energy output, external one, so otherwise the projector would be much bigger if it was internal one. Here you go. And it also comes with a very sleek remote, which I will show you because it has a nice feature. This is the remote, and it's charged by USB. It comes with its own cable, so it doesn't take any kind of batteries, so you don't need to worry about buying them or it's running out. Whenever you need it, just plug it in and it charges. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to mention about the projector. It has its own sounds, so it has these very, very cool like buffers under it, like right here for the sound. So it packs a really good punch when it comes to, if you want to play music, your movies or whatever. It's really, I mean, this is really, really cool to have its own integrated subwoofers underneath. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. We're just going to show you guys projecting a video to see how it actually runs. I mean, it's full HD, 180p. It also supports 4K, so it's future-proof on that front. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how it runs, and thank you very much.